ride trains. Today, we're going to be building this Avtoros Shaman, and this is a Russian-produced 8-wheeled all-terrain off-road vehicle here. And this is what it looks like. So let's get right into the build. So we're going to start off with the big tires, and for that we're going to take polished blackstone stairs, and we're going to make a 2x2 plus shape of stairs. Just like that. And then right up next to it, touching it, a second 2x2 plus shape of stairs. So we have 2 wheels. Then we're going to come through and we're going to extend it out so each of these wheels is 2 blocks wide here. Just like that. Then we're going to skip forward and we're going to leave a 2-block gap of empty space, and we're going to build another wheel on the 3rd block out. So 2 blocks of empty space, and then a plus shape of blackstone stairs. And then another plus shape touching it of blackstone stairs, and then extend that out to the side so each of these wheels is 2 blocks wide. So we should have 4 wheels here with a 2-block gap of space between them. Then we'll come over on this side, leave 2 blocks of space here, and then we'll start building another 2 plus shape wheels 2 blocks over from the other ones. And we're going to make those 2 wide as well. Just like that. And then repeat the process over here, skip 2 blocks over. And we need plus shapes of blackstone stairs, 2 of them, and 2 blocks wide with them. And now we have all the wheels done. Now come to whatever ends the back and put 2 polished deep slate slabs in the middle up here. Then we're going to do 2 rows of polished deep slate block up this top middle and stop at the front of the front wheels. Then 2 slabs up here, so on the front the slabs stick out in front of the wheels, and on the back they're flush with it. Now come on top of the very front here, put 2 polished basalt, 2 orange carpet on top of them. Then we're going to come to the back end, and we're going to put a door here, 2 orange concrete with ladders. On top of the orange concrete, a single polished deep slate with a ladder. Then we're going to come 1 block forward from the back on each side here, put an orange concrete here and here, and then an upside down acacia stair facing backward on each side. Then we'll swing in front of this, and we're going to add another 5 orange concrete to each side till it's above this first wheel up here, like that. Then on this front gap, 2 rows of 3 orange concrete like this. Then we'll actually add another 3 orange concrete on each side up here. And then on either side of the polished basalt, an upside down outward facing acacia stair. Then an orange carpet on each side up here. Then we're going to swing down to this back, above the back wheels here. And a polished deep slate slab on top, then 1 on bottom. Then an upside down backward facing stair. Repeat it over here, slab on top, slab on bottom, upside down backward facing stair. Then 2 slabs on bottom in front of it, 2 over here. Next, we're going to skip 1 block forward, and we're going to put an upside down polished deep slate stair facing forward on each side. Then a slab on bottom, and 2 slabs on top, but actually that's wrong. We're going to take out these front corner ones so there's only 1 slab on top there to get the shape right. Now starting on the back, on either side we're going to put 2 polished deep slate. then a black glass block on either side, then another polished deep slate, then orange concrete, black stained glass pane, and then orange concrete. On the front here, we're going to put 2 black glass blocks on the center and 2 black stained glass panes on either side like this, so it wraps around. Right here, we're going to put 4 acacia trapdoors and then 4 acacia planks behind it to get the curve of the front here. Then we'll do the interior real quick. So we're going to come in here, put a dark oak fence gate and a lever, and turn around, and we'll put some stairs going back like this for seats. Then on top of these front glass blocks, we're going to put 2 polished deep slate slabs. And then on the side here, a full row of outward facing polished deep slate stairs to the back. Same thing on this side. And then we'll fill the whole rest of this top up here with polished deep slate blocks. Then on top of the front up here, we're going to put 2 skeleton skulls. Then right behind those on top, 2 acacia buttons, and at the very back, 2 mangrove buttons. Skip a block forward on top from those buttons and do a 2x2 of polished diorite slabs. And then we're going to go all around these slabs with dark oak fence gates. Then we're going to come on the side right here for our mirror, put a black stained glass pane. Then we need to grab a lever and put a lever under it going up into it. Then we'll do the same process on this side, so a glass pane and a lever. Then we're going to come to the back, put a skeleton skull on the back above the door. Then we need to make some banners here. So we're going to come into a loom with an orange banner and yellow dye, make one half yellow, and then another one with the opposite half yellow. Then make the bottom half of both of these red. Then go to black dye and put a black border on both of them. And then a plus shape on both of them. And these are going to be for the rear lights. So we're going to come up to the back. We're going to put a glow item frame on either side like this. And then put the banners on the back with the orange on the outside edges. Then we're going to do the front lights, and due to lack of space, we're going to use a sign. So we need a dark oak sign, yellow dye, and a glow ink sac. So we're going to come up here, put a dark oak sign here, and we're going to do a set of parentheses, space, another set, space, another set. Do the same thing on this side. Set of parentheses, a space, another one, space, another one. Hit those both with yellow dye and a glow ink sac for our headlights. And there we have it, folks. This completes the tutorial of our Avtoros Shaman off-road vehicle. I hope you enjoyed this little build here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.